morning. It's day number 2. I don't remember what we're doing. A walking tour. We're on a bus. Okay, so we're at Phoenix Park, and if you look down there, there's a huge cross that was built when Pope John Paul II was here. That's so crazy. We're at St. Patrick's Cathedral. I have a ticket. I'm with my group. This place is beautiful. We just finished our tour of St. Patrick's Cathedral, which is not a Catholic cathedral, but I did buy my grandaunt, a rosary. It was a beautiful cathedral. It was really nice to hear all the facts and the fact that we had like a private tour guide, which is also great. On to the next. I'm at McDonald's with Kelsey, and look at our little bag. It comes with a little thing, and then we found out that there's a Happy Meal with Yu-Gi-Oh! Hello Kitty toys.
Are you ready for the reveal?
Please. Oh my god, it's Exodia Pooperine! Oh my god, I'm kicking my feet under the table. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, this is all you.
Gagged. We ordered one thing, and then we're like, oh my god, they have the Yu-Gi-Oh! Happy Meal. I need it. So then we went back to order the fucking Happy Meal. I can't. I'm so obsessed.
Their Coke tastes different. That's Coke Zero. You'll see. Yeah.
I don't taste like Coke.
Mm-mm.
So we got a share box with garlic mayo, classic sweet and sour, some chili dip, and then sweet curry.
The nugget was different. Okay. I tried garlic mayo.
Can I pass me the mayo? Garlic mayo. Ooh, that's real garlicky.
Yeah. Let's go with sweet curry.
Oh, literally just garlic.
This is incredible.
Not a huge fan of the garlic.
But I like that it's a little different than just straight mayonnaise.
Period.
You're gonna like that.
Sweet curry.
Mm-hmm.
Dude. This is good.
Mm-hmm. Standard chili dip, yeah. Just a little bit.
Little kick.
So what'd you get in the bottle?
I was like, this looks like the Asian.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Get that up. Let's dip. Ah! Cheers! Oh, garlic fish.
I don't know what needs to go with this, but it's not bad.
Hello, we just had lunch at different places.
We did.
I went to McDonald's and I got the best thing ever. Silent screaming. It's only for Europe, but
I got 2 Tapped. I got a passion fruit and peach sour beer with a chicken Caesar wrap, and it was incredible.
that's great.
Probably one of the best chicken Caesar wraps I've ever had.
Nice.
Not gonna lie, it was delicious.
And now,
And then we got tattoo recommendations. Not for her, for me.
yeah. So now we're going to the Book of Kells experience with a couple of other people in our tour group, and it's gonna be great. So they do an audio tour, which I'm listening to. Okay, so we just finished our Book of Kells tour, and now we're just gonna walk around Trinity College. I got a hat. It's so cute. She got a shirt. I also got a tote because when do you not need a tote? But look at how beautiful this campus is. I'm literally so amazed. I would love to go to college at a campus that looks this beautiful. I would like never want to leave. It's so pretty. Okay, we just went shopping for postcards after walking around Trinity, and now we are in the Temple Bar area. Going to Temple Bar to meet up with our friends that we got separated from.
Because nerds and spend a lot of time with books and Kells.
We just love books, okay? Okay, so we just had a couple of drinks at the Roof Garden in the Temple Bar area. And now we are heading towards, what's the place called? The Ink Factory to see if my friends can go get some tattoos last minute. They've been discussing it like all day. You can also get piercings there for like 20 euros. I could get, oh, it's right there!
So we're at the Ink Factory. And I'm gonna get my ears pierced or my boobs re-pierced. It's only like €10 here, including the actual jewelry. So. The others are getting a tattoo at another Ink Factory location. We're just gonna go check out the piercings. We're simple, quick, fast, easy, and then we're gonna go to Guinness. So, got my ears re-pierced. I don't even think I could call it re-piercing because they were technically open. He just put them through for me. So I only paid for the jewelry. And now we are headed to the Guinness Storehouse for our self-guided tour. And after that we get a, I don't know if we get a pint or a half pint. but it's gonna be fun. I've never tried Guinness. I'm not a beer girly, but when in Ireland, do as the Irish do. Let's go drink some Guinness. It's so tiny. I do not like it. Cheers. Second, third taste. Still don't like it. Do we like Guinness?
No. No.
Do we like Guinness? The answer is no. But it was a great experience. I loved going around. It was actually really, really fun. It was very interactive, and I feel like it's for everyone, kids, adults alike, because they had a lot of interactive stuff.
Good evening. It's still day 2. We are currently at the Brazen Head, which is the oldest pub in Dublin. And we're waiting for our food. I'm here with Jackie. I got fish and chips. She got bangers mash. We both got Rockshore apple cider. It's really good, very refreshing. Honestly, very excited that I got this. And we came straight from Guinness just because it's really, really close to each other. And after that, we're gonna go charge our phones at the hostel and see where the night takes us. I'm feeling kind of sleepy, honestly, because I didn't sleep well last night. But we also got lists of like things to do tonight. There are like comedy shows that are starting. There's some that are free, and we're thinking about checking them out. I think that would be really cool. Just depends on how tired I am. Fish and chippies. Bangers and mash.